Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see about instant face glow and brightening face scrub. For that, I am going to take a tablespoon of besan, 2 pinch of wild turmeric powder and 2 tablespoons of curd. Mix these ingredients into a nice paste. Now apply this mixture in your face. Now it has been 5 minutes. I'm just taking this tomato and I'm going to scrub this into my face. Suddenly the climate has been changed. Climate has been cloudy, so I could not take it properly. Now you can see instant brightness and glow in my face. Try this at your home and comment in the below section. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys. Until then, signing off from Revathi. Bye.